Hi everyone, welcome to step 3 to LR. Before we can start analyzing data, we need to set up our main tool R and RStudio. Let's go step by step. To download R, we will begin from our course page. Go to my site, gonzalezalmeida.teach.github.io. Then you can select projects and here. So you will see the intro R and RStudio setup. Then click here, then click this option. Once you are on CRAN, you can click the link to the CRAN, that is a comprehensive R Achieve network. Once you are on CRAN, you will see the option to see a mirror, which is basically the server to download from. You can just choose the cloud option, which is automatically finds the best one for you, or pick the mirror closest to your location. So I will click from USA, cranecase.edu. Open it up and click through the steps. Continue, accept the license, keep the default installation locations, and let the installer run. Once that is done, R is installed successfully. Next, let's install the RStudio. Head to gonzalezalmeida.github.io. Then click the projects, same as our intro RStudio setup. Then you have to click again, install RStudio. Then click RStudio Desktop Free from POSIT. Then you have to choose your operating system, Windows, Mac or Linux. So this is I'm using my Windows. So, or if you would choose your laptop to Mac, you have to click here. Then click this option. If you see that it is downloading, once the download is complete, you can open it up. It only takes a few seconds to finish the download. Yes, now it's finished download. Then I will open it up. Then once you see this screen, then you can follow the installer setup, the next, and click on install. It takes a few minutes. Then once this done, you will see the R on your screen onto the desktop. So then click the finish. So then you will see the RStudio in here. Then you can use R for your data analysis. Now let's check everything works. Open RStudio and in the console, then type 2 plus 2 or any expression, then enter it. You should see the result 4. That's mean R and RStudio are connected properly. To go one step further, let's test install in the package type. Type it, install dot package. When you type only few letters, you will see that the option is pop up. Then you can click the install packages option. Then type ggplot2, then enter it. If you want to check it's installed already, library, and type ggplot2, then enter it. If they run without error, you are all set. And that is it. You now have a R and RStudio installed and ready to go for step 3 to it. Thank you.